this is your practical maths lesson for Friday. Alright, so we're going to think today about measuring things, and what I would like you to do is to measure at least 5 things around your house, and I want you to compare them using words like longest and shortest. Alright, so you might measure people in your family, you might measure toys or objects that you've got around your house. At the end of the EYFS, children are expected to use everyday language related to measuring, so words like longest and shortest. So one of the things I'd like to do while you're measuring your 5 things is to use some standard uniform. That means they're all the same size basically, so if you're going to use Lego bricks, they all need to be the same size Lego bricks rather than a couple of long and a couple of short. So standard measurements. And so for example, if I was going to measure this little puffin here, I would measure how many bricks long he was by putting them on here like this, and roughly he's about 4 bricks long, 4 Lego bricks long. And if you want, you can record that, or you can just talk about it. If you do want to extend your child a little bit further, what you could do is you could introduce to your child centimetres and metres. Okay, we don't really talk about inches in school, so the key words are centimetres and metres. And if you can talk to your child that these are shortened by using the k and the for centimetres and just a for metres. The other key thing that you could point out to them is that there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre, so in one of those really big sticks that sometimes we use to measure with at school. So if you've done the uniform brick measuring and you want a little bit more of a challenge, what you could do is try and find a measuring tape or maybe a ruler if you're lucky enough to have one at home, and go around and measure 5 things for me. Be really careful that you have got the centimetre side and not the inches. So for example, if I was measuring my puffin, I'd put that there and then I'd read off the number there. So he looks like he's about 14 centimetres. And grown-ups just measure to the nearest centimetre rather than you introducing halves. So I hope you have fun with today's practical maths, and I'll see you a bit later. Bye.